Thinking about upgrading your mountain bike fork but not sure which one is the best? Don't worry. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mountain bike forks. Smooth rides, durable, and built for maximum performance. Whether you want ultimate control, superior shock absorption, or a lightweight design, we've got you covered. Stay tuned until the end to find out which fork is perfect for your ride. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Nanlio e-bike air suspension fork is designed for mountain biking enthusiasts seeking top performance. Compatible with 20x4.0 and 26x4.0 inch wheels, it features a double-shoulder design with oil and air damping for smooth rides. Made from magnesium and aluminum alloy, it ensures durability and lightweight handling. With 28.6mm stem size, 135mm fork width, and 330mm travel, it supports hydraulic disc brakes perfectly. The pneumatic left side and hydraulic right side structure delivers superior shock absorption on rough terrains, making it ideal for off-road adventures and snow biking alike. Item number 4. The BUCKLOS 27.5 29-inch MTB air suspension fork is perfect for mountain biking enthusiasts seeking performance and versatility. With 140mm travel and an adjustable air spring system, it delivers a smooth, controlled ride over rough terrains. Made from durable aluminum alloy and weighing just 2,000 to 2,150 grams, it balances strength and lightweight handling. The fork supports large 3.0-inch tires, disc brakes, and features a 28.6mm steerer tube with 9x100mm quick-release axle. With remote manual lockout, riders can easily adapt to climbing or descending, making it ideal for all MTB adventures. Item number 3. The BUCKLOS 27.5 29-inch MTB air fork is designed for mountain biking enthusiasts seeking lightweight performance and smooth rides. With 120mm travel and oil-air suspension, it delivers excellent shock absorption on rough trails. Made from magnesium alloy, it balances strength and low weight, weighing just 1,830 grams for 27.5 inches and 1,930 grams for 29 inches. The fork supports disc brakes, a maximum tire width of 2.4 inches, and features a 28.6mm straight steerer tube with 9x100mm quick-release axle. Optional damping allows rebound speed adjustment, making it versatile for any MTB adventure. Item number 2. The Tank 2600 27.5 29-inch MTB air fork is perfect for riders seeking adjustable performance and smooth rides. Featuring 120mm travel and rebound adjustment, it provides excellent control over varied terrains. Constructed with a magnesium alloy lower leg and aluminum alloy inner tube, this fork balances durability and lightweight design. It supports disc brakes, has a 32mm inner tube diameter, and a 9x100mm quick-release axle. Available in black, orange, and gold, with manual or remote lockout, the Tank Air Fork is versatile, reliable, and ideal for cruisers, mountain bikes, and road bicycles alike. Item number 1. The LAOH HF332 is a high-performance air suspension fork designed for 26, 27.5, and 29-inch bikes. Its gas pressure structure effectively filters small vibrations, while the magnesium alloy and aluminum construction make it lightweight and durable. The upgraded Teflon self-lubricating bushings ensure silent and smooth performance. With 120mm of travel, a 28.6mm straight steerer, and a 9x100mm quick-release axle, it fits a wide range of MTB and BMX bikes. Its disc brake compatibility adds even more versatility to the overall design. Which of these mountain bike forks is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.